In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert a customizable ASIN, like this one, to a variation family, like this. Variation families make it easy for customers to see your product offering, and because each product offering is assigned its own SKU, fulfilling orders is easier too. Start by adding a new product in Seller Central. Select the category that describes your product. Now, enter product details for the new family. And select the variation theme from the menu. Next, choose or enter a style name for each variation. Add the SKU for the existing customizable product under one of the variations. You can also leave the SKU blank, and the system will generate one automatically. When you're ready, apply the changes. Add your offer details. And select images of all your variations. In about 15 minutes, you'll see the new variation family in your inventory. After the variation family is created, you can add or edit customizations for each of the children individually, or add customizations to the parent, and they will automatically apply to all the children. To remove customizations from the original ASIN, click the Custom Products link at the top of the Manage Inventory page. Find the ASIN and select Remove Customization Information, and delete your old customization SKUs. Want to learn more about how to use variations? Check out Help in Seller Central for tips, tricks, and first-hand advice from other makers in the Handmade community.